Good morning, y'all. We are back with another video. My friend Precious came over today, so we are going to get a little content for y'all. We're going to do some Valentine's Day makeup, and we're probably going to get a couple pictures because she always brings a few outfits with her. So we're going to do some makeup, get some pictures. The weather is so nice today. It's been really chilly lately, but today it's going to be like 60 something. And so we are just excited. Yeah. So y'all, I'm going to try to get a little bit cute for y'all real quick. I ain't gonna do too much.
Hi guys, yeah. Precious here. Oh, Lord. I was struggling with her hair this morning.
Oh, why?
That's the natural hair fight. I don't like it. It doesn't want a ponytail.
Well, she love her a ponytail.
She loves ponytail, yeah. That's it.
Bella love her little ponytail.
I don't know. I'm confused now.
Oh, so she's going natural?
This hair better cooperate.
Yeah, this is my real quick makeup routine. A little bit of concealer under my eyes, a little bit of foundation, and honestly, oh, and I did say I'm gonna put lashes on y'all for y'all today.
Amen.
So
Give them some.
I'm gonna put some lashes on too.
It's the worst, but no.
Why? It's a little different than what you normally give.
Do, yeah,
well, why you put that one on?
Curly hair is easy. Water and go. Yesterday when you said come style, that's like, oh Lord, you know what? It's curly today.
Come with your hair done so we can get a cute little vloggy vlog. Yeah, look at that. Already. But I'm gonna still do a little bit more.
You kind of know what you like. If you like, me, I like vlogging, but not.
A little bit of this. It's cute. All right, quick. Oh crap, I still gotta do the lashes. Hold on, let me do my lashes real quick. I done done my makeup and put my lashes on, and I think we ready to get started with our day. I feel like I always look weird with just lashes and like not a full face of makeup.
Lashes are cute. Oh my gosh, I didn't know.
What you mean by new? All right, y'all. So I forgot to show y'all her outfits, but she's wearing red. So
let me see. Bring one or two.
Which one? Or both of them?
I think I have 3.
Oh lordy. So we're gonna. Oh.
So this one is a top. So this is a shirt. We're gonna wear to like black, and then this is a dress.
Oh, I love this one. You gotta wear this one.
This one
for
right?
sure. And then maybe this one. Cute, cute. This one for sure. We're probably gonna do like the a dark liner with the red lip. I don't know about the eye yet.
But normally if you're doing bold lips, then the eye is subtle.
Yes, for sure. And y'all, this is the final look. She's so cute. Makeup done. She sent me this inspiration that she wanted to do, and they were inside, so take some good, cute content. Let me go outside, matter of fact, see how it feels. Oh, it feels so good out here. This is crazy. I don't know yet.
Oh my God, Tiffany, you're supposed to know now.